The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken is written by Robert Frost, and this poem tells us about how we make our choices and how that choices shapes our life or affect our life. It means everything. If you are successful today, it means it is your choice that makes the differences. If you are a failure today, it is your choice that makes you failure today. Okay, before actual start of this chapter, first of all we will know about the poet, because if we know something about the poet, then we will read or understand his writing in a good way. See, chapter 1, The Road Not Taken. The meaning of this heading, the road, it means the way, the step, the choices that not taken, that not had been made. It means the choices which had not been made. Okay. Introduction of the poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost actually born in England, but he does everything in England, but he don't got the reputation, name, fame and money for his work. In spite of that, in spite of working hard, he got the abusing words. He had been humiliated by his own country person. After, in the end, he had left his own country and moved to America, where he got everything, name, fame and everything by the same work. The work he had done in Britain had brought nothing, but the same work which was published in America brought the reputation, name, fame, money, power, everything what we want to have, what a successful person want to have after a long sheer work. See, before that, we will see the meaning of some difficult words used in this poem. Diverged. Diverged means separated in two directions. Suppose this is the single river. After some point, it will diverge in a two way. This is converging point. Suppose this is the two rivers come at a point. This is converging point, and suppose from this point this goes in two direction. That is called diverging point or diverge, separated in two different directions. Wanted weird. Wanted weird had not been used. It means the things that has not been used still. Next, undergrowth, dense growth of plant and bushes. It means simply you may call dense forest. Choices, desire, intentions and whatever the choices. Okay, see. Now these are the phrases which has been used in the poem and that you should know. First, a yellow wood. Yellow wood means autumn season and the color becomes yellow. It means color of the tree becomes yellow. After a spring season, before a spring season comes autumn seasons, in which the leaves of the plants fall down and it becomes yellow. It was grassy and wanted here. Grass was grown over the road and it was less stable. It means the way is full of grass but had not single person travel on it. Okay. Highway leads on to way. It means one road leads someone to one direction and other and no turning back. It means suppose I had traveled this path, I have gone somewhere, I can't return back. That is the meaning of this phrase. The last phrase, leaves no step had trodden blood. It means the leaves were not crushed under the foot. It means not having traveled. Okay, or least traveled path. Now, a thing, your choice saves your life. It means suppose I have made a choice that I want to become a teacher. It means that it will affect our life, money, name, everything. Suppose you have made a choice that I want to become a robber. That will affect your life. Suppose you make your choice that I have to do graduation or IIT after 10+2. That will shape your mind, that will shape your career, that will shape your intentions. And suppose you want, it means simply it is the choice. It is the choice of yours, ours, that makes our life. If we have a choice to become a doctor, then we will be a doctor. If we have a choice of becoming a thief, then we will be a thief. It is the choice that makes the difference. Okay, see. Now, in short, I would like to tell you the summary of this chapter. First, in this poem, the poet stood in a single way. Suppose I am here standing in place of the poet. Okay, I have to travel in life, and I am watching. There is a two-way, and I am standing on the converging point and watching the last, watching far and far where it gone and where it will end, and guessing what will be the right for me. Students, we must not forget that it is not easy to leave our country. Even I am a bad person, even I am a robber, still I want to live in my own country. Similarly, the Robert Frost wanted to leave his own country, but no one cared to him, and ultimately he had to leave his own country. Similarly, the poet is now that state for the Robert Frost was confusing state, creating the problem in his life. Similarly, I am standing here, and what I have to do, I don't know. And I had traveled the path, this path, and there is this path. Two paths diverge in a separate way. And now I have selected this path. That path which has been traveled very less. And this path, the common man takes place, and this path, unusual, special, unique person takes place. And the Robert Frost took the unusual path. It means the path which is not actually or likely to be traveled by the common people. Okay. Similarly, the poet is standing in a confusing state, now seeing watching both the ways where do I have to go, and selected one path that is unusual and moved ahead. And at that time, he thought both paths are equal. Both paths are equal, and what will be the choices I have made that will affect, and he doubted he would ever come back. If I had left the country, then I would not come back. But it is not easy to leave for someone to leave his or her own country. And he left his own country and selected the one where he got everything, name, fame, money, power. And now after that he is thinking, what would happen if I have selected that path? But it is my choice that makes all the differences. Similarly, if we have made a choice, that will create a difference, and that will save our life. Okay, after having a theme, we will go through the line by line. short reading so that you could understand very well. Okay, see. Here is the NCERT book. I always prescribe you to take the NCERT book, and that should be original, not Manak Lakshya or other side book that has contained the detailed explanation, question meanings and word meanings. Okay, this makes you lethargy so that, and you don't want to read the real book. Okay, see, here it is written, this well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shapes us. How we have to make choice and how it will affect. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common ordinary experiences. It means simple experiences that is common for all of you. Okay. See, now two roads diverge in a yellow. Yellow wood means among the yellow trees. Two roads diverge. I have already explained. Okay, see. I am sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the underworld. It means the poet was standing at a place in a confusing state and watching both the road, where it goes and where it, okay, in the forest. Next, then took the other, selected the one just as fair, just as right, and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted here. Thought about both the path and thought that it is the best for me and start traveling. Though as for that, the passing there he had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how will leads on today, I doubted if I should ever come back. And both that equally in the morning, both paths have lays with the grass, and one path is travelled by common man and one path is travelled by a special and unique person. It meant by the poet. And he doubted if I had selected this path. Suppose I want to be a doctor, and anyway I would not, and I become an engineer. After 10 years, the thinking it is flashing in our mind. What would happen if I would be a doctor? Although I have all things, money, name, fame and power, everything, still I am thinking what would happen if I would be a doctor. Okay, now the last stanza. I shall be telling with a sigh, somewhere else and age hence, it means somewhere years and years ago, after some time, after 10-20 years, two roads diverged in a wood, two roads diverged in a forest, and I took the one less traveled. I took the one that is unusual, not usual. Everybody wants, suppose this is the way to go 0 mile or anywhere. This is the way to ride. Everybody follows this rule. But the person who is unique, who is different, follows the another way. It has been said, no one does the new things, but the creative person, great person does the same thing in the different way, similar way. Somewhere else and hence two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled. It means less traveled means commonly not traveled, and that has made all the difference. It was the step, it was the choice made by the poet that makes all the differences. It means he got everything. Okay, my dear friends, if you have watched the video and if you understood all the things, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. And if you have any problem, don't forget to put your comment in the comment box. Thank you.